Welcome to Global Eat, Chef Natawat. Chef Natawat, can you tell us about Thai food?
Yes, the Thai food is a land of um, completely ingredients of my country. That means we have a variety of food, sour, appetizers, also dessert. And then every important thing about the taste we call Arroy. It is a taste like a umami in the Japanese. We not did like a too sour, too salty, too sweety, but we need the Arroy flavor in the Thai food.
Tell me, what motivates you to want to be a Thai chef?
Mm.
Why not other type of cooking? French cooking, Italian cooking, or even Indonesian cooking. Why did you choose Thai food?
Firstly of all, that I just studying at the faculty of um, hospitality industry in the major of culinary art and restaurant management in Thai College. They are taught me about every kind of food like Asian food, Western food, also Thai food. But for me, I am Thai people. I have to did my Thai food for all of us. That's why I choose Thai food. And then something that motivated me when I was young, just 15 years old, I saw the Thai drama. It's about food story about chef and the younger person who is teaching a little bit, something like that. Just motivate me that yes, I want to be a chef. And then every single people must 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 eat food every day. That's why I choose the chef to be my job in my life. Yes.